Guys, I want to ask your feelings. If you have the wireless Bluetooth earphones that is more better than the branded wireless Bluetooth, what is your feeling? That is super hilarious for me in my point of view. Why? Based on three highlight there, I need to stand out from this wireless Bluetooth. The first key feature is that it's much more cheaper than the branded wireless Bluetooth. For instance, the JBL, Sony, and Apple AirPods that is cost us extremely expensive that we cannot afford. And key number two is it have a good ANC. It indicates that anti-noise cancellations give a smooth experience whenever we want to hear the good music together with bass. And thirdly, there is no latency delay for those who like to play the games within the noise environment. This gives us a much more better feelings, as whenever this come with the four speaker from the left and four speaker to the right, give us an equilibrium sound similar like to the Dolby Atmos experience. I don't know. Without further ado, today we are going to make a ASMR unboxing for these earphones. Further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, now we cut out the parcel first as I order from online. It takes some time. Okay. Today unboxing would let me chill and relax. Okay. Cut off the bubble wrap. Be careful, we don't want to accidentally cut the free gift. Slowly. Okay. It comes with the free gift. This free gift can be used to clean phone, the food, earphone jack, audio jack, the USB port, all that thing can be used to clean. Very convenient and beautiful. So I put it inside here. Okay, this is the keep it into the thumb for those who play the games. This is much more to prevent anti-sleeping. But for me, I doesn't use. I just keep it aside. Today, this is the brush. The brand is Eternity 4 Ultra. The preceding one is the Umbras Eternity 4 Major. That one is much more wider. This one is much more higher and thinner. The battery life is much more better than the previous one. The Eternity 4 Major, we only can use it to 35 hours, but this Umbras Eternity 4 Major use it 38 hours. Okay, we need to open it. Okay, we cut out the thinner wrap here. Peel it off. Currently, if first time purchase this Umbras, the earphone need to charge up to 3 hours to 6 hours for first time use. Inside doesn't have battery. Okay, this is the cover and the touch screen. Why I purchased due to this screen monitor here. Everything we just tap. It has 7 functions. First functions, you can click the camera button to have a camera or video shooting. You just tap, and the second button you just click the light buttons. Whenever you like your friend's post, you want to see the TikTok video that you like, you just click, and you get a lot of features that I will say later on. What is inside this mystery box? There is a replaceable earbud. Small, medium, and big. Many user due to its very complex. I want to say this is the play your video or your audio. This one is the volume. This one is the ANC functions. You can see, right? I need to readjust. Okay, I don't know you can see or not, but I just made it here. Then number 4 feature is equalizer. First have the balance, environmental voice, and the music. Number 5, this one is the timer or the alarm. This one, number 6, into brightness of the screen. And number 7, you can switch whatever language you like. And number 8, this one is the screen lock wallpaper. Number 9, whenever your earphones have already loosened and do not place where, you just click L to find your left side earphone, R for right side earphone. And number 10, this one is the timer and the date. That one I very like because it have come with the light button, camera button, and all the light level. This one you can become a mini camera. Let's open it. What inside? This one is the earbud. Come with, you see, much more bigger than the Amcrest Eternity 4 major. And this one also same. Okay. The down one is the reset button. You press here, then everything will be reset. I try to open. Oh my god. Not function. You need to charge. This one is the casing protector. You just put it like that. Then would be time to close. That is not sufficient. It comes with the Type-C to USB-C port. Guys, this is the interface of charging condition. Okay, you see that is charging. And the light went right. Here, port here, you see, have blue and red light trying to blinking, indicate that it's a charging. Whenever there is a fully charged, the blinking will directly to turn off. Don't worry about that, okay? That's all for the unboxing part. Guys, come to my final. I still remain my voice tone not to go to normal. As the reason I want to keep it as an ambient environment, make you guys, for those see my video that is relaxed, peaceful, and chill. The user experience part I haven't put inside. You want to see, just leave it in the comments and I want to see user experience. The main purpose for this video is to give you guys having a clear insight how I'm going to unboxing these cheap but worthy earphones. That's all for my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you